It's sunset. The temperature is 62 degrees, down from 70 degrees about 45 minutes ago. And as you can see, I'm picking my bok choy because they're starting to bloom. They're blooming. Everything grows so much faster in this aquaponic system. They're all blooming. So all my bok choy are going to be eaten this week. Most of them will be eaten this week because they're all blooming. And then I'm going to let my nice collars get nice and big because they'll have more room to grow. And I'll be planting more in this bed also, since I'm eating all my bok choy harvest that fast. And like I was saying before, it's cold out here. I mean, the temperature is blowing from the northeast. It's very cold. It's very cool. It's very cool out here. I probably need to have a jacket on as this wind continues to blow, dropping the temperature fast, way down, as the sun starts to set here at 5 o'clock or so, sitting. So I'm hoping it doesn't get below 30 degrees tonight. And so forth. But our little Arctic freeze is happening. I showed while I was driving my car, the sun's out. All that rain, the rainstorms are gone. The rain started at 11 a.m. and continued on to about 3 o'clock, and it stopped. And then the sun came out. Beautiful sun came out. All the clouds went away as the storms was going from blowing to the northeast. I'm in Cypress. I'm northwest of Houston. So the storm is blowing northeast. So now that cold air is right behind all that warm storm weather. Now the cold air is coming in. And I can tell you, it's getting cold out here. You know, it may sound funny that 62, 61 is cold, but it's cold because the cold wind is blowing all the hot air out. So it's all that cold wind that's much colder than 62 right now that's blowing in. By 5 o'clock, I think our temperature will be down to 50 degrees. I'm not by 5 o'clock, but by 6 o'clock, because it's already past 5, about 10, 15 minutes past 5 as the sun goes down. So by 6 o'clock, I think our temperature will be probably about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the way this cold air is blowing in. So I'm going to go cook this bok choy up with some cut up ribeye steak, and making some jasmine rice, ribeye steak with onion and some jasmine rice, and with mushrooms, and with some brown gravy and the bok choy on the side. That's going to be my meal tonight. Man, this wind's blowing that cold air in. It's getting chilly. Till next time, stay safe, because ain't nobody coming to save us. Grow some food. Do some DIY solar. Prep.